butter, citrus, fresh herbs, and a little heat. Cowboy butter and steak might just be the perfect treat.
Hey guys, welcome back. Vince here. I got a beautiful steak recipe again for you today. We're going to continue our trend of doing different sauces that you can put on your favorite meats, whether it be steak, chicken, or even your favorite side, maybe some potatoes. If you haven't already checked out my last steak video, we did an awesome red wine reduction sauce. I'll put a link in the description below, but make sure you check it out if you haven't already. We're going to do some fresh herbs, some lemon juice, some spices. We're going to melt that down with some delicious butter. We're going to drizzle it all over the top of that porterhouse, and man, it's going to be delicious. Friends, if you haven't already, I ask that you like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn the notification bell on. I make new videos on Thursdays and on Sundays. So if you watch any of my steak videos, you know I like to get my steak up to room temperature. This is going to let us get a perfect crust, especially when we're cooking it in a cast iron pan. Having an hour or so out at room temperature, maybe even a little longer, is going to give us that perfect crust we're looking for. So, all right, y'all, we're going to set this beautiful porterhouse steak aside, and we're going to prep all of our ingredients for our cowboy butter. So you might be asking, what is cowboy butter? All cowboy butter is, you take a couple of sticks of butter, you take some lemon zest, some lemon juice, some fresh herbs, some chives, some parsley, a few other ingredients, some spices, some garlic, and you whisk it all together, and ooh, we got the perfect dipping sauce for our steak, so stay tuned. All right, so we got a little trifecta of herbs here. We have some fresh thyme, parsley, chives, and of course we got some garlic.
And just like that, our herbs and garlic are ready to go. We're also going to need the juice and zest from a lemon, some Dijon mustard, and a variety of spices. I'll have a full list of all ingredients below for you. For this recipe, we're going to need 1 stick of some good butter. Not butter that has a bunch of ingredients or oils. Be sure to check the label. Melt down your butter and throw the juice and the zest from 1 lemon. Next, we're going to throw in our garlic. After that, we're going to grab some Dijon mustard. Use whatever mustard you like, but Dijon mustard goes perfectly with this. Throw in your seasonings. Whisk that deliciousness up. Look at that. And finally, we're going to grab our fresh herbs and we're going to get them into the mix. After we throw them in there, we're going to give it a final whisk. Look how that just comes together beautifully. We're going to set that aside and throw a T-bone steak in at high heat on cast iron. We're going to cook it to a perfect medium rare. Slice your steak into beautiful strips. You're going to grab that cowboy butter and you're going to place it in a serving bowl aside on a plate. We're going to coat our steak all over the top with our cowboy butter, but we're also going to serve more on the side to dip and dunk in. You can't get enough of this stuff.
All right, yeehaw, baby, let's get it. I'm just going to get straight after it. Got to go in a little extra dunk because, ooh, look at that. Oh, my God. Oh, man. Woo! Oh, I got to tell you, I'm glad I made extras because I'm going to be having this tomorrow, too. That has so much flavor. The lemon, the garlic, the herbs. Oh, that is outstanding. Thanks for watching. I hope to earn your subscription. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found value from it.